This video will teach you how to use the concatenate function. The concatenate function can be very useful because it allows you to take data in multiple cells and combine it into one cell. For example, let's say you work for a company and one of your coworkers gives you a worksheet with a large amount of data. However, the data is not formatted correctly. The data comes with business unit, operating unit, and account number all in separate cells. You need, for the program you're using, them all in one cell to represent the general ledger string. This can be achieved by using the concatenate function on Excel. Additionally, the business unit and the operating unit must be separated by a dash, and the operating unit and the account number must be separated by a dash. This can also be achieved by using the Excel feature concatenate. I will now show you how to use this feature. We will start by typing an equal sign and then the word concatenate, and then an open parentheses. You will know if you spelled the word correctly because a little box will show below, which shows you how to use the function. It tells us that we must insert text 1. The beginning of our general ledger string is the business unit, so we will click into cell A2, and then we will type a comma to signify we are moving on to text 2. Now, for the program we're using, we need to separate our business unit and operating unit with a dash. To insert this text, we must use quotations. So we'll type quotations, dash quotations. We'll insert another comma to signify our third text, which is our operating unit, comma, and now we must separate our operating unit and our account number using another dash, so we'll insert quotations once again, quotations, dash quotations, and then a comma, and then our text 5 is our account number, which is in C cell 2. We can now use a closing parentheses to signify we are done with the function. Hit enter, and we can see that we have successfully combined the business unit, operating unit, and account number into one general ledger string with dashes in between the business unit and the operating unit and a dash between the operating unit, and the account number. We can copy the cells down, and now each line has their proper general ledger string. Now in Excel there's another way that you can combine cells. This is using the and symbol or the ampersand symbol. I will now show you how to use this. We will start by typing the equal sign. Once again, the start to our GL string is our business unit, so we will click into cell A2. However, this time we'll do a shift and symbol instead of a comma. And now we want to insert a dash so that a dash can be represented between our business unit and operating unit. So we'll insert quotations again, insert a dash, quotations, and now to move on to text 3, which is our operating unit, we'll type another and symbol, which is shift 7. So operating unit, which is B2, and then another and symbol to signify text 4, which is another dash, so we'll do between our operating unit and account number, so we'll do quotations, dash quotations, another and symbol, and then last but not least is our account number. Now this time we didn't need parentheses and we didn't need the word concatenate, however we used the and symbol. We can hit enter and see that we've achieved the same results. We can copy this down so that each line once again has the proper general ledger string. So therefore, the concatenate function, the and function, can be very useful when needing to combine cells. However, an important thing to remember when using the concatenate function is that you must insert commas in between each of this text, and that any text inserted into the concatenate function must be placed in quotations. When using the ampersand symbol, we don't need to type any words. We can just start by typing equals, and then insert our and symbols in between each of the texts, and then just like the concatenate function, any text that we need in addition to the cells must be placed in parentheses. Thank you for watching my video on how to combine cells on Excel. I hope this was helpful.